Introducing the Lights Planner Action 2021 edition of the Christmas series Recipe Keeper. Yes, it's a favorite. If you love this design last year, it is back again. And this year, for the first time ever, it will also be available in blackout style with white ink. This design looks so sharp on the blackout paper, but do keep in mind blackout inserts are only available for the first full week of every month. So if you're watching this and it's not available, just make sure you come back at the top of the month and you'll probably be able to get it then. This is the recipe keeper that goes along with the Christmas series. You can also get it as part of the Christmas bundle. It is a very functional design, a very straightforward layout, and it is really great in the kitchen. It's not too distracting, not too busy, but it has enough bells and whistles that you want to look at it. So up close and personal, I'm going to show it to you in the blackout version because it's so sleek. You have space to mark down the prep time, the cook time, how good of a recipe is it, the title, how many it serves, and then there's these little check boxes that allow you to choose what category the recipe falls into. Now, in a TN, that might not be super helpful for you, but when you start doing this, if I have mine in a ring planner, you can sort your recipes by type eventually. So this is a great way to start categorizing them for that purpose. And then at the bottom, there is space for directions and ingredients and plenty of lines there. So you'll have plenty of room, even if it is a very long recipe. So that is the recipe keeper that goes along with the Christmas series, and as I said, it comes in the blackout version as well as the white paper version. And as you can see here, I have it in B6 size, but it's also available in B6 rings, B6 coil. You can also order your B6 rings if you leave me a note to leave them unpunched. You can have them unpunched and then you can punch them for discs when you get them. And then also it is available in HP Classic size, which you can also get on a coil or as part of the Christmas bundle. Of course, I am always looking to add new sizes, so stay tuned for that coming in the future.